नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Okay, my dear kids, we finished one lesson, right? Today I'll send the notes of that one. So today I'm going to revise that notes after writing. Please learn the notes by seeing the videos. Okay, my dear kids? Okay. See here, part 11, जो देखकर भी नहीं देखते. What is the title of the lesson? जो देखकर भी नहीं देखते. ओके. अर्थ परखना टू टेस्ट. परखना टू टेस्ट. खास स्पेशल. अचरज सरप्राइज. खुश नसीब लकी. कालीन कारपेट. समा एनवायरनमेंट. संवेदना फीलिंग्स. क्षमताओं एबिलिटीज. once again, परखना to test, खास स्पेशल, अचरज सरप्राइज, खुशनसीब लकी, कालीन कारपेट, समा एनवायरनमेंट, संवेदना फीलिंग्स, क्षमताओं एबिलिटीज. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट अंग्रेजी से हिंदी अनुवाद. व्हाट डिड यू सी. हिंदी, आपने क्या क्या देखा. व्हाट डिड यू सी, आपने क्या क्या देखा. सेकेंड वन, नथिंग स्पेशल. कुछ खास तो नहीं. नथिंग स्पेशल, कुछ खास तो नहीं. ओके, थर्ड वन, पीपल हु हैव आईज रियली सी वेरी लिटिल. जिन लोगों की आंखें हैं वे सचमुच बहुत कम देखते हैं. पीपल हु हैव आईज रियली सी वेरी लिटिल. जिन लोगों की आंखें हैं वे सचमुच बहुत कम देखते हैं. ओके, व्हाट डिड यू सी, आपने क्या क्या देखा. नथिंग स्पेशल, कुछ खास तो नहीं. पीपल हु हैव आईज रियली सी वेरी लिटिल. जिन लोगों की आंखें हैं वे सचमुच बहुत कम देखते हैं. ओके, देन प्रश्न और उत्तर. ओके, while cropping that प्रश्न और उत्तर topic has lost. Okay, my dear kids, so you have to write third Roman letter प्रश्न और उत्तर. After that you have to continue the question answers. Okay, first one, लेखिका को किस काम से खुशी मिलती है. लेखिका को किस काम से खुशी मिलती है. The author is getting happiness by doing what? Who is the author? Helen Keller, right? So by doing what she is getting happiness. By doing what work she is getting happiness. लेखिका को प्राकृतिक वस्तुओं को स्पर्श करने में खुशी मिलती है. How she is getting happiness? By touching the natural things. स्पर्श करना to touch. सो लेखिका को प्राकृतिक वस्तुओं मीन्स नेचुरल थिंग्स को स्पर्श करने में खुशी मिलती है. हेलन केलर अपने मित्रों की परीक्षा क्यों लेती है. वाई शी इज टेकिंग टेस्ट for her friends. Why Helen Keller is testing her friends? Why she is doing like that? हेलन केलर अपने मित्रों की परीक्षा यह परखने के लिए लेती है कि वे क्या देखते हैं. शी वांट टू टेस्ट them that what they are seeing. So that only she is taking like test. She is taking test to know that what they are seeing. हेलन केलर अपने मित्रों की परीक्षा क्यों लेती है. हेलन केलर अपने मित्रों की परीक्षा यह परखने के लिए लेती है कि वे क्या देखते हैं. ओके, सेकेंड वन, फिनिश. थर्ड वन, लेखिका के कानों में किसके मधुर स्वर गूंजने लगते थे. लेखिका के कानों में चिड़ियों के मधुर स्वर गूंजने लगते थे. विच साउंड इज कमिंग ऑन हर ईयर्स. whose sweet sound is coming to Helen Keller's ears. Like चिड़ियों means bird sound only coming to her ears. इसलिए लेखिका के कानों में चिड़ियों के मधुर स्वर गूंजने लगते थे. ओके, लेखिका के कानों में किसके मधुर स्वर गूंजने लगते थे? लेखिका के कानों में चिड़ियों के मधुर स्वर गूंजने लगते थे। हेलन केलर प्रकृति की चीज़ों को किस प्रकार पहचानती है? हाउ हेलन केलर इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग द recognizing realizing the things of the world. Why? How she is realizing the things of this nature? By touching, right? By touching only she is recognizing. So हेलन केलर प्रकृति की चीज़ों को छू कर पहचानती है. छूना मीन्स टू टच. छू कर पहचानती है. हेलन केलर प्रकृति की चीज़ों को किस प्रकार पहचानती है? हेलन केलर प्रकृति की चीज़ों को छू कर पहचानती है. ओके. once again, लेखिका को अब किस काम में खुशी मिलती है? लेखिका को प्राकृतिक वस्तुओं को स्पर्श करने में खुशी मिलती है. हेलन केलर अपने मित्रों की परीक्षा क्यों लेती है? हेलन केलर अपने मित्रों की परीक्षा यह परखने के लिए लेती है कि वे क्या देखते हैं. लेखिका के कानों में किसके मधुर स्वर गूंजने लगते थे? लेखिका के कानों में चिड़ियों के मधुर स्वर गूंजने लगते थे. हेलन केलर प्रकृति की चीज़ों को किस प्रकार पहचानती है? हेलन केलर प्रकृति की चीज़ों को छूकर पहचानती है. Okay then. So we finished one lesson, right? So this one you learn, my dear kids. Learn it, write 5 times each question and answer. Write 5 times in your rough note and learn and watch the video. Then you can know the words and all. Okay. So by seeing the video, you read the notes and learn. Okay, my dear kids. Then do home test of yourself and correct it yourself with pencil. And you take a snapshot and send it to me. No one is sending the notes, photo, nothing you are sending. Nowadays you are very weak, very lazy, not at all doing anything. Okay. Then, have you heard about Sumitranandan Pant? Sumitranandan Pant is a famous poet. He has written more poems and all. Okay, he has written more poems and all. So from that one poem we are going to learn. Okay. When you were small and all, okay, you think that when you were very small, like carrying baby, you think like that. That time, what is the speciality of that time and all? What is the speciality that time? That time everyone will be very pamper on us, right? Very lovable on us, very caring on us, right? Isn't it? Because we are very small, we don't know to walk, we don't know to go anywhere, we don't know to do anything in ourselves. So everything others only doing and they are only, हमें सबका ध्यान मिलता है. हमारे सबसे अच्छे तरीके से ध्यान करने वाला कौन है? Who is the one who is taking care of us very deeply when we were small? Still they are taking care of us like that. Who is that? Yeah, हमारी माँ, our mother, right? Our mother. 24 घंटे हमारे ध्यान करती है. In 24 hours she is taking care of us. So now little like when we were small and all, they were feeding us, they were taking bath of us, they were changing our dress, everything they will do. Nowadays we are big, right? So they won't do. We know to do ourselves, so that only we are doing. So here on girl, what she is telling, so many complaints about her mother. She is telling that when you were small, you were taking care of us. But I want now also, I want to be like that only. I want to sleep on your lap. I want to catch your shawl and I want to go behind you. I don't want to go anywhere else. I won't leave your shawl. Every time I will keep on going with you. I like to be with you. But when I became big, you are cheating me. You are not at all taking care of me. Every time you are keeping my hand and walking. Now you are not at all happy. Now you are not at all with me. Then he is there. You will feed me. You will wash my face if I am going outside and if I am moving here and there and my body is dirty, means you will wash my body. You will, after washing, you will decorate my body. Everything you will do. You will give new toys and all. Nowadays you are not at all giving this and all. You are not at all showing any, you are not saying any story. I don't want to go, I don't want to grow, I don't want to uh, lose your love. I want still that same love I need still, like that. That girl is complaining towards her mother. I want to be with you, ma. I want to be with you. I want to be without any wish, without any fear. I want to be with you. You want to show me sunrise also, like that. Everything I want. Now also I need, like that. That girl is telling. Okay. So we will go to the lesson. Okay, my dear kids. Page number 94. मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ. मैं 12th lesson we will take afterwards. Okay. मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ. I want to become very small. Okay. Write up of it today's date. 3/2/2021 Budhavar. Write on the up of it, my dear kids. Okay. I'm going to read. You please listen carefully and read with me. Keep your finger on your or pens or anything you keep on it when I am reading. मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ. Very easy poem only. So you can read also. मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ. तेरी गोदी में सोऊं. तेरा अंचल पकड़ पकड़ कर फिरूं सदा माँ तेरे साथ. कभी न छोड़ूं तेरा हाथ. What she is telling, मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ. When I was very small, तेरी गोदी में सोऊं. I used to sleep on your lap. गोदी, lap. तेरा अंचल पकड़ पकड़ पर, by catching your end of the shawl, like catching your shawl. Firun Sadam, I used to turn around everywhere by catching your shawl. Tere saath, with you. Kabhi na chodun tera haath. I don't want to, I was not at all leaving your hand. When I was small, I used to do this and all. I used to sleep with you. I used to keep your shawl with me, and I never leave you alone. I never leave you anywhere. Every time I will catch your hand. तेरा हाथ. बड़ा बनाकर भले हमको तू पीछे चलती है मात. Now we became big and you are cheating me. चलती है मात means you are cheating me. हाथ पकड़ फिर सदा हमारे साथ नहीं फिरती दिन रात. Now you are not at all keeping my hand with you in the day and night. You are not at all keeping my hand with you. अपने कर से खिला थुला मुहदूल पहुंच. Everything you are doing with your hand. You are feeding me. Khila means feeding. Thula mukh, you are washing my face. Dool ponj, you are wiping my dust and all. When I am moving here and there and my body will be dust, means you will wipe my dust and all. Sajjid kar gaad means body. Sajjid, decorate. You used to decorate my body. Thama kilaune nahi suna. Thama kilaune, you are giving toys and all. Now you are not at all doing this and all. नहीं सुनाती हमें सुखद परियों की बात. Nowadays you are not at all telling any angel story and all. Pariyo means angel. So ऐसी बड़ी न हो मैं. I don't want to become like this grow. तेरा स्नेह न खोऊं मैं. I don't want to lose your love. खोऊं lose. स्नेह love. I don't want to lose your love. तेरे आंचल की छाया में. I want to be there on the shade of your shawl. I want to be there under the shade of your shawl. Chipi rahun nisprag. I want to hide on that and without any wish. Nisprag means without any wish. Nirfai, without any fear. Kahun dikha de chandrodey. I want to tell you that show me the sunrise. This everything I need. Every time used to sleep on your lap. I used to catch your shawl and I will turn around you with you. I never leave your hand. But now I became big and you are cheating me. I want to catch your hand, but now you are not catching my hand. You used to feed me with your hand. You used to wash my face. You used to wipe my dust and all. You used to decorate my body. You used to give toys and all. Now you used to say story to me. Nowadays you are not at all doing this and all. ऐसी बड़ी ना हो मैं, I don't want to grow like this. तेरा स्नेह न खो मैं, I don't want to lose your love. तेरे आंचल की छाया में, I want to sit under the shade of your shawl. छिपी रहूं, I want to hide. Nisprah, without any fear, without any wish, without any fear. I want to say you to show me the sunrise. So on you also have that wish, isn't it? While I was, if mother is feeding and giving me, still we are very lovable on that, right? If our mother is doing everything for us, now also means it will be very nice for us to do, right? Isn't it? So now we grown up, so that only our parents are not, because they are keeping distance and they are watching us from the distance. They are watching and they are caring us, but we don't know that. You have to think about that. Okay, now you are grown up, you have to do. If my still mother is doing everything and giving, means you will lose your self confidence. When you will grow very big also, you who don't know to do anything. If your mother is doing everything and giving, you have to do yourself. When you will grow mother, that when you were small, you don't know to do anything, so that your mother were doing, isn't it? Now you are grown up and you can do yourself everything. For if you are doing yourself everything, means only you can face anything. Okay, my dear kids. So uh, your mother's love is still there. You don't want to worry about that. Still they are loving you, still they are caring you. Who is preparing food and for you, who is waiting for you when you will go home, who is making you to ready to go home, go school. Everything your parents only, right? So keep loving them. Okay, my dear kids, because those who don't have parents only, they know the pain. Okay, then you write these meanings on the up of it, my dear kids. Godi, lap, Anjal, end of the shawl, Firu, turn around, Chalti, cheating, Khila, feeding, Thula, washing, Gath, body, Nisprah, without any fear. So many meanings also there. When I say so said everything na, that time also you can copy all the meanings. Okay, here I have given only these meanings. So this one you pause the video and write everything. What is the speciality here? This Sumitranandan Pan's mother, what happened na? When he born, suddenly after 6 hours, that same day after 6 hours, her mother passed away. His mother passed away. When he born, morning only he born. Then after 6 hours, the same day, 6 hours after, his mother gone. So he know the pain of those who don't have parents. So he is telling that. So he didn't see her mother. His grandma only was taking care of us, and he became this much famous. You see that? Imagine yourself, my dear kids, how much he has suffered because he don't have mother and everything, grandma only doing, and then even he became grown and he became famous, isn't it? Very 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 inspiration. Okay, so you keep on keep on going towards your aim. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, then he imagined himself and only he has written this poem. Okay, my dear kids, read the lesson, read it, record it, and send it to me. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the Zoom interaction meeting, or you can text me or call me. Okay, my dear kids, that's all for today. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.